Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to mute status on WhatsApp latest update. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your app is updated because it is a new update. They have changed the former way to mute the status. Once you have updated, go to WhatsApp and go to Updates tab. So on the latest update, you can select the status you want to mute. Then on the top right, click the icon with 3 dots, and you will see here the mute option. One thing you can do is hold down the account you want to mute, then select mute. Now confirm it. And that's how you mute status in this new WhatsApp update. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.